Good morning. This morning Mike and I will be walking from Keswick to Threlkeld, which is one of the books in Short Walks Made Easy in the Lake District. Because it's a linear walk, we have parked in Threlkeld and are going to get the bus to Keswick and then walk back. We always think that is the safer option than walking out and getting the bus back, just in case there isn't one. So let's see how it goes. The bus should be here in 1 or 2 minutes time, and in classic British fashion I am standing in the rain. Well, we easily made it into Keswick and now we have started the walk and it stopped raining, which is always a bonus. So Mike, how does it feel to be walking in this valley?
I've wanted to walk in this valley for about 40 years, but I've always been going somewhere else and going up hills, not down a valley. I'm really pleased to be here. It's just that parts of me aren't working as brilliantly as they should be.
See this smile? This is a smile of somebody who's just watched a red squirrel running all the way along the length of a dry stone wall. He's got... How's your ice cream?
My ice cream has been delivered to me with a slither of strawberry crush. Gorgeous.
Here we are, back where we started, heading to the coffee shop for a cup of tea.